Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come to this website. You can see www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Okay, any motherboard, any devices, systems, any devices to require driver, you can download easily. Then go to this search button. You can see this is right hand side of website. Just click and then guys enter your model number of your motherboard which is your required, and you can see here B650 Eagle, and then guys hit enter. Click to product. You can so 650 Eagle. Click installations process same if you have a different version. Then click to support. So select your operating system. If your any operating system installations process same, so LAN driver, so Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. And always try to install latest driver only. And if you are getting some issues latest, so try to previous version, second last try. Then open, double click to exe, then click to yes. Now you can see here the LAN driver installing Gigabyte Windows 11. So guys, it is all automatically closed, means this is installed.